Hello everyone, how is everything going on? Welcome back to our channel, upcoming show. Before starting today's episode review of 10th episode of season 15, we must say, whatever had happened in the previous season of Heartland, this season has almost compensated the dramas and light sides of Heartland. And if you don't think so, then I must say, you might have missed the last episode of this season. The drama in this episode was quite high as it brought us many memories of Ty and also gave us a ray of hope that we might see Ty Borden again in season 16. The episode started with Emmy getting a letter from Ty's mom, Lily. It was revealed that Lily and Ty's stepdad have finally parted ways, and as part of their separation agreement, Lily got to keep Howler, the racehorse that was brought to Heartland in season 14, episode 3. When Amy had started walking with the horse, it had improved quite a lot and had started winning races. And now, since Lily owns Howler, she gets to keep all his winnings too. So Lily sent Amy a check with part of Howler's winning, since Amy is the reason behind Howler's improvement. Amy took the check quite reluctantly as she didn't want Lily to feel that she owes something to Amy. But Amy had no idea where to use the check. Amy was also worried about Logan and his future since Cooper's Center was still not in a good place financially. Early in this episode, we saw Clint ask Amy to come to the center because he was worried about Logan. Logan was thinking about not going back to school and instead find a job since he knew that the center will most likely close soon and he can't keep living at the group home forever. Amy didn't like his perspective, so she tried taking and talking to Logan again, telling him how although she was never a straight A student, she still finished high school and she also still regrets not going to university. And Amy also told Logan about Ty and his journey with going back to high school, arriving at Heartland, and then graduating way to school. This didn't convince Logan at all, so Amy decided to encourage him by bringing some Ty's old college books that would help the teen to know the benefits if he just sticks to his school and finishes it. But while searching it, she found something else. There was a package, and inside it was an envelope with Amy's name on it. Amy recognized the handwriting, and it was none other than Ty Borden's writing. When she opened it up, she found it to be Ty's gift to Amy for their 6th anniversary that he never got to give her. It was a beautiful horseshoe with the words "Stronger Together" engraved on it, and with it was a card by Ty that said, "Dear Amy, I have a hard tune writing things like this, but you need to know how you have changed my life, how Heartland changed my life. I was a kid who did not know who he was or what he wanted to do. I was lost. I didn't think I had a future, and now I have you and your beautiful daughter. I have a life I never dreamed I would have. I think you and I can do anything. Let's leave a legacy together. I love you always, Ty." This was a shocker to Amy, and after reading the letter, Amy knew what she had to do with Lily's check. She decided to invest in it an equestrian therapy center and she explained Jack why she was doing it. Here is what she said. "When I see a kid like Logan, I know what I have to do. Logan needs that place. It's like what Heartland was for Ty. That center could be heaven for so many kids if it's allowed to grow. And Ty and I can leave a legacy together, just like he wanted, and I think Lily would approve it too." It convinced Jack, and by the end of the episode, we saw the Dr. Ty Borden Equestrian Youth Center open. So it seems The show has given a better tribute to Ty Borden and his presence was felt. Also, we will be looking forward what new spices the Equestrian Center will bring with it in near future. That's it for today guys. We will talk more about it in the next part. This video is made with the help of an article by tvsopilot.com. If you like our content, like our video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notification.